actually going to do an unboxing and a quick review of the Honda CBR1000RR. So this is the Takara Tomy brand. Okay, so I actually pre-ordered it. It took me more than 3 months to get it. So yeah. So I actually do already unboxing, but due to some camera making some funny issues and suddenly stopped recording, and the previous recorded video was suddenly lost and I have to do it again. Okay, so here we go. So let's see what's inside. So first, I actually kind of surprised we got the action figure here, but it's a transparent or clear, but it's actually worth it though. But this one is a bit pricey than a regular Takara Tomy or Tomica car. No, sorry, it's considered, it's the pricing is still the same, but I think it's much harder to get it because this is actually the first Takara Tomy Honda brand that, no, it's not the first, this is actually their first Honda CBR1000RR motorcycle that they produce. Okay, so yeah, this clear dude, you can just put here, I think. Yeah, put on my Tamiya Ducati Panigales. Let's see what else we got. We have the center stand. So this one doesn't have any stand like this one. Okay, of course, come on, this one I have to build by myself. This one is already pre-built. So this one I think you put on behind the swing arm of the bike. Okay, and we have a sticker here, so we need to put all the sticker by ourselves, which is not really a big problem, but yeah. So this is actually the SP2 version. If on the picture given here, it's actually the SP2 version, because if I get the black one, it's kind of boring. It doesn't have any much color on it. So here's it. Here's the bike itself. Wow, the build quality, I have to say, is very good for a 1/32 scale. Many metal parts, that's what I like, especially on the gas tank here. It is actually metal, and the swing arm is really nice. So actually you can just put here. Okay, so I'm gonna put the decal first, and let's see how it's gonna look like, right? So yeah, the disc brake is actually not spinning, but of course, come on, it's a 1/32 scale. All right. Okay guys, so we have just completed the build. It took me almost 20 minutes to do it because I have to refer to the original picture here. So yeah, because the instruction was not really detailed, so I have to, and yeah, you can see the quite nice detail actually. For, I don't know, $5, yeah, it's good value. I like the detail, it's very nice. Yeah, I know my stickering skill is just terrible. Yeah, it looks good, and you got the stand, because I don't put the stand later, because this one I'm just gonna put as this display here, because you know that looks huge difference. But the colors is identical. They use 3 colors here. So the Ducati is Italian, so red, white, and green. This one is Japanese. No, not Japanese. This is the Honda color. So this is the red, blue, and white. Yeah. So yeah, I'm kind of satisfied for the quality and the design and the overall build quality. I'm kind of impressed. Alright, so that's it for today. and I hope you guys enjoyed, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.